Hello, welcome back. Today I've decided to talk to you guys about some stuff you need to have at home in case you get ill or you get hurt. In case. You know, just in case. It does not mean you're going to get ill. No. It does not mean you're going to fall off your bike. No. However, we do need to have those things handy. So I've got some stuff here that I have at home. I did not buy anything extra because the whole idea for my work is to bring to you guys what I actually think is important to know. So when I was thinking about medical, like first aid stuff, first aid is what we say, like when you get hurt, the first things you have to do, okay? So a first aid kit, that's what it's called normally. I was looking at it online because I don't have one, and there were so many things that I don't know, I never used that word. I understand the word, but I never used it, so I thought, well, if in 17 years I never used it, I'm sure most people will be okay most of the time without these words. So we've got, first thing I think is so important is a thermometer. So this one is super amazing. If you live in England, you can buy this from Boots and it's actually really awesome. So basically this is one of those ones that you just scan, you know, so you don't have to get super close. It can be like here and you just scan, and it's actually awesome. So we do need to have a thermometer. We actually don't have a choice about this one. Thermometer is a must. When you say something is a must, it means it's absolutely necessary. So a thermometer is a must. And then if you've got a fever, so a fever is when you have a high temperature. So if you use your thermometer and you find out you have a fever, you might need to take Paracetamol tablets. So those are tablets, okay? Paracetamol tablets. Those are just painkillers in general, and they tend to bring your temperature down as well. But they are painkillers. That means if you are in pain, you take paracetamol, okay? However, if you've got a headache, story of my life, as you guys may know, you might need to have a headache tablet. So this one is what I buy in Brazil, but a lot of people take paracetamol for headaches. They don't work for me. No way. If I take a paracetamol for my headache, it's like literally like nothing, like I did nothing. So headache tablets tend to be better because they are designed for headaches. Then if you've got a kid, like I have 2 kids, there are some things you need to have. There's something I haven't got here because I actually ran out of this. When you run out of something, it means you had it and then it finished, so you need to buy more. So I ran out of it, which is Saline Solution, which is just that salty water that is so good for cleaning wounds. So if maybe you cut your arm or you just, or you scratch it and there is a wound, there is blood, you know, blood is the red thing, so there is blood coming out, there is a wound there, you normally use you use Saline Solution to clean it up, well I do, and then you might need, you never know, bandages. So yeah, those little things. Bandages, that's what we call them, bandages. So then you know, dress the wound. This is what we say, we dress the wound. That means we cover it up so it doesn't get infected. That would be bad. So you dress the wound, and you might need, for dressing the wound, you might need some tape to actually stick it together so it doesn't come off. You might, we never know, need some scissors for cutting up the bandages. You might need that. Scissors for bandages, maybe. And you might need, last but not least, plasters. This is actually from England, so it says it's, you know, the whole thing is in English here, so there you go, plasters, and it says protect against dirt and germs, because you don't want those, God no. So this is waterproof, which is amazing, and comfortable to wear. It really is comfortable. Those are really good plasters, and they're pepper plasters. God. And they help, right? If you've got like a crying child, this could be the solution you need. Just saying. I hope it's been useful, I hope it's been helpful. Sometimes when it comes to English learning, we know a lot of things, but then we don't know some really obvious things like painkillers. You know, this is a very simple word that you need to know, which means tablets to kill the pain. Ha! Clever word. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you have, or if you think I am officially going crazy. I'll see you all next time. Thank you. Bye.